Hey folks, welcome to Camperagent TV. Today we're going to check out the Highclere Caravans. New to our yard? Can't wait to show you. Let's take a look. So let's start at the front here, folks. As you can see, you've got all your cables that you need. 12 pin flat, Anderson plug, reverse camera, all standard. Moving around the van, you do have a full, all the way through tunnel boot. Great for storage options around your van. And under here, you have your gas bayonet. Moving further around, we have external speakers here and here. You also have external cables. So you got a 12 volt plug here, aerial plug, 240 volt out, and also a picnic table. Moving further around, black water tank. That's where your poop goes. As I said at the front there, you got a reverse camera here, spare tire, 3-prong, heavy duty rear bumper. Almost fell over. Now here's another handy feature. Inside the van here on the other side of this wall is the double bunks that are on the inside, of course. But under here is access underneath those bunks for external storage. You also can get access to these on the inside, which I'll show you that shortly. And down here are your 2 batteries, of course. All right, so let's take a look on the inside of the caravan, folks. Come check it out. Now here we are on the inside of this great, awesome looking bunk van. Over here, I'll quickly show you the bunks. There are 2 bunks here. I'm pretty sure they're 6'2" in length. 2 of them, comfortable mattresses on there as well for the kids or young adult, whatever you might have. On here, as I mentioned on the outside, that's the access to the underneath the bunk to the external storage, and of course you've got internal access to that storage as well. Under here, you also have your front load washing machine. So that's a 3.5 kilo washing machine, so you can keep all your clothes looked after on the road. Now over here, Mr. Cameraman, what I love about this layout as well, you've got your ensuite directly next to the door as you walk in the caravan. And in here, still plenty of room. You've got your sink with black taps and black sink, which I really love, by the way. I think it's a great way to finish the van with this wood grain finish. You have your toilet there as well, which you can see. And through here, you have your shower. Once again, with black taps. It all goes well throughout the van. Now moving over to your kitchen area, here you have a very well-sized club lounge. Now this is an adjustable table as well, so you can actually move this around to where you want it. So if you need some more space as you sit down or as you get in, you can quite easily do that by pulling the little lever and away you go. So I can easily get in and out of this table, no problems at all. How good's that? Over here is your 2-door fridge. Moving around, black taps, black sink, looks schmick, absolutely schmick. Of course, as you come to expect in all caravans nowadays, you have your microwave. Up here, you have all your electrical parts that you need. You've got your stereo in there as well. You've got your switches for you isolate your aircon, your gas hot water, gas electric hot water. You've got your range hood there as well. So take a look at this, a 4 gas burner with grill. And another cool thing, soft close drawers. So that's another cool feature there. Moving down to the bedroom here, we do have a queen size, well, caravan queen size bed, at least 5 foot wide, with your wardrobe either side of the bed there, with your hanging space, piano hinge as you can see here, storage above the bed as well, plenty of room for all your knickknacks. You do have cutouts here as well, and inside that cutout is as a 2 240 volt plugs. And down here you have drawers and a little cupboard either side of the bed as well. Moving around here, if you can capture this, Mr. Cameraman, or Harry as I call him, you got your full height cupboard space here as well. This can be great for socks and jocks, little bits and pieces that it can be, you know, stash them there, easy to access. You beauty. Up here we have a wind-up antenna, so you can still get all your TV channels while you're out there having a good time on the road. Speakers in the roof, air conditioner up here as well, and you've actually got 2 skylights, and an extractor over here. So there we have it, folks. I'm so happy to show you through these Highclere Caravans. This is our first one that's just hit the yard. I'm so happy to show you through it. I'd love to show you through it in person though. So come out to the yard and come and speak to myself and the team. We're at 750 Paul Wakefield Road, Paraffin Gardens, or give us a call on 8285 5000. We're more than happy to show you through these vans. They're absolutely beautiful. You're gonna love them. The best thing about them is we can deliver them quickly because we've secured a whole bunch of them. So we can get them to you pretty quickly and you can get out there and enjoy your caravan. So make sure you come out to Camperagent, come and speak to us. We'd love to show you through. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Have a great day.